Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Peps. I was getting a lot of queries on how to find a perfect order block. Okay, so let me show you where the most of the people make mistakes. Okay, so they really feels like okay, let's go. So basically today is 2nd of November and current is 12:40 UTC plus 5:30 time zone and yep, here we go. Today it's Saturday, so it's a weekend and the market is closed right now. You can see there's no movement over here. It's closed, yeah. So yesterday we made a good amount of profit. Yeah, approximately I made a profit of 400 pips. 400 pips, yeah. Not, I guess not 400, it's 420 pips, yeah, near around. So first to find a perfect order block, first you need to see the trend of the market currently in an 1 hour time frame. Bit help. It does. You see, let's look at the trend. Okay, it's the trend is totally bullish right now, so you can see. Let me show you how. This, this lower, lower high, high high, lower high, lower low, high high, low. Again, we are on the same track, and again, it's trying to retrace itself. So it's a lower high, lower low, no, high low, high high, lower high. Sorry, here, lower high. Okay, here. And take a high high. That's a totally bullish trend right now. We're into a bullish trend. You can identify a trend by using this what do you call this tool over here. It's a path tool. Okay, so let's see. It's a bullish trend over here, and we are running on liquidity right now. It's a liquid zone. Okay, let me show you why I call it a liquid zone over here. So let me show you. Oh, okay, so most of the people think that liquid zone is like just where the candles have formed on a larger basis and there's a gap up kind of thing, but no, it isn't. So most of people think that this is liquid zone somewhere over here just because it's reacting over here. Just look at it. Just because you thought that the market is in trends over here, let me show you in a better way. Okay. Oh, just because you thought there is a market is in a trance over here, okay. You thought it's a liquid zone. You thought that it's gonna go up. Why? It won't. It doesn't order block formation. You can see over here. So in order to find a perfect, like suppose over here, okay, here too. Just because it's just a news thing. Just see the timing. It's 7:30. There was a news over here. So it was a news range. It wasn't a liquid zone or order block formation over here. Okay, so you can't see like trying to read over news. That was the reason. You thought that it's a liquidity over here? No, it isn't. Just look at it. After the news, the candle went a bit lower, 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 and again high. It was a news thing. So, in order to find out the perfect order block, there are 5 key points. You should know it before you execute a trade. Okay. Order block must be take liquidity or have liquidity to take. Okay. For example, let me show you. Mm, We are on a bullish trend right now, okay? So we're gonna find liquidity over here. Just look at it. Liquidity is formed in such a way, like in bullish trend, we're gonna identify liquidity in this way. Lower low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Again, higher low, higher high. Okay, we see a breakout structure, and our target is gonna be somewhere right here. Okay, so there is a one order block formation over here. There is another order block formation. Sorry, order block formation over here. Do you see these are the liquid zones? Okay, let me just copy it. There's a copy button, clone. Yeah, there's another liquid zone over here. You see, it just reacted. It's just following its trend over here. The trend is bullish. It's following the bullish trend over here. So it that's our first point. Order block must take or have liquidity over here. For example, let me show you in the graph itself. Over here. See, we're gonna see. Yeah, you can see liquidity. There was a liquidity over here. I will help you also. Okay, don't worry. I will say you the liquid. I will help you to identify the liquid zones too. Okay, that's not an issue. So, yeah. So where's the path here? Let's see. Lower, lower high, higher low. Sorry, higher high, lower higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. See, boom. See, here there was a change in trend. Okay, so trend can change after reacting from liquidity. It was an all-time high. So you can't predict anything when it's already on an all-time high, but yeah, you can look at the left side. And even if I took a lefts, like even if I look at lefts on the weekly basis also, it's the highest range that the gold have ever reached. See, highest range. We're in 2018 right now, man. Yep, it's a higher range. Just look at it. Just look at the way it's rising. Boom. Sorry, we are into hourly time frame, man. Yeah. So here it is. That's how I identify the trend and take a trade over here. So our first box has been ticklisted. So first one has been done. Now second one. Order block breaks something significant. So one and two are significantly related to each other. So let me show you an example. Order block breaks something significant. Okay. So currently it's a bullish market over here. We're on an hourly time frame and it's breaking its higher high. Just look at it. It broke its higher high from here till here. And again, higher high, here, here. It's breaking this. Just look at it. It's breaking this one. It's breaking its higher high. Again, where is, yeah. Mm, it's a lot of reaction. See, it's breaking its higher side. This is a lot. If it's breaking its old previous higher side, then it's a bullish market for us, and we should wait. Just look at here. There was an order block formation over, that's a fifth point. I will explain you later. So just look at it. Here, it's breaking itself. It's breaking the previous high candle of itself. That means it's a bullish trend. And in order to go push up itself, it's gonna take a liquidity from itself from the zonal way. So it's gonna come down for a moment and then again push up. So look at it. Market went up, went down, to gather some liquidity, went boom. Again came a bit down, again gather some liquidity, and again boom. So that's how it works. That's the second point. First and second point. And OP has relevant current price action. Yeah. The third point I'm going to explain you at the last, but let's see the fourth point. That's the most fourth and fifth are the most important ones, I guess so. Everything is important, but I believe in fourth has some institutional power in it. So I'm going to explain you over here. So let me just clear everything out. I don't like meshy shades. So yep. Fourth point, OB has imbalance. So let me show you over here. Okay, let me draw something. This is candle one. This is just for reference. I'm saying. Okay. Uh, oh, no. Where is my trend line? Trend line. Yeah, this one. Just for reference, I'm showing. Okay, this is our candle one. Okay, and that's our second candle. That's our second candle. It's just don't mind my drawing. It's worst, I know. So just ignore it. That's our second candle, and that's our hmm, third candle. Yep, it's our third candle. So what do you see over here? We see there's a gap up between like the first candle and the third candle. And what do you guys see? There is a zone over here. Okay, okay, so let me color it maybe. Yeah, black. Does it work? No, no. Yeah, this was it. So you see there is a gap over here from the first candle to the third candle. The wicks doesn't touch each other over here. Just look at it. The wick doesn't touching each other. The first and the third candle. What do you see over here? What do you think? Why is it? I'll show you the real life example also. Don't worry. But yeah, let's see. So it's just because there is a high liquidity above that place, so it's trying to be a bearish market. It's just an example I'm showing, and just because it happened, just because the institution order has been filled, a lot of money has been flooded into the market at a current time situation. So on a selling purpose, so it's just trying to execute the pending orders. So that's the reason it's going down. And do you see there's a space over here from this to this? Why? What do you think? Why it's so bearish right now? Just because it's an institution level, and institutions are so like sharp that they're not gonna allow the price to come and retrace again in the market. They flow approximately just that's a lot of money flooded into market at just a particular time moment. So that's the reason there's a huge move. What do you think? Why the New York session, London session have a lot of like long candles? That's I guess London session. Let me see. This zone. Okay. It's a yeah, it's a London New York session. Just see. Why do you think? Why it happened? It's just because there's a lot of money flooded into market at a same time situation. So that's the reason. And let's see. Okay, so that's our third point. Sorry, fourth point. Oh, order block has imbalance. So there's an imbalance over here. Let me show you in a real life situation, real life graph. Okay, you should always trade at institution level because those are smart motherfuckers. Yep. So let me show you the nearest like low time graph. Yep. There you go. Just look at here. This just look at the this candle only. Yeah, just look at this candle only. Okay. So what do you saw? This and this have a gap. Just look at it. Uh, this was institution level. Institution level was not allowing the price to go up, so it was just going down, 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 down. Just see, just look at it. So down. Yep. And here it breached finally. Yep. Here it breached. Do you see this zone? Let me show you. Mm, yeah. Okay. I don't know why this trading machines this method was better earlier. So just look at the zone, okay? This zone, that's the order block zone, okay? So currently it's okay, just see the price react try to reacted and again went down. It's just on a live screen I'm showing you, okay? So just look at it. That's the order block. This is order block. It's how many pips range? I guess it's around 500 pips, maybe. Let's see. 300 pips. Yeah. Okay. Just a moment, guys. I guess I got some glitch. It's somewhere around 1600 pips. That's okay. 1600 pips. Just look at it. It went here. There was a liquidity over here. A bit of less liquidity, I feel like not less. The price reacted. There's a lot of good liquidity over here. So price reacted from this place and yep, it reacted and again it tried to breach this one, but it couldn't. So it again fell down. Again, it's on liquidity. Again, it's gonna try to react and go up. And I feel like it's gonna go up again. The market tomorrow is gonna be a bullish from the Friday. Like, yep. Okay, I'm so sorry for this notification. It's gonna be bullish. And what the fifth point? What do you think? Order block has liquidity pool to target. What is it? Any guesses? Liquidity pool. That means there's a lot of liquidity present at that place. So it's a pool of liquidity. Let me show you. So, for example, okay, let me just get you some. What the hell? Liquidity pool. Yeah. So, hmm, so here it is. It's a liquidity pool over here. This one, this place. How did it determine? Let me show you how. The price is reacting a way too hard whenever it's trying to cross this. Just look at over here. Just take a trend line. Not where is the trend line? Trend line. Yep, here it is. And here it is. That's oh shit, why the hell is happening like this? Oh whatever. Just look at it. That's a trend line and the market is trying to breach this one, but it isn't. Just because there's a lot of liquidity present over here. It's trying. It was I guess mm, New York session. It's after London session, okay. It was after London session. It was day two, like Friday, Thursday, I mean. Yeah. There was a liquidity over it. It wasn't allowed price. It wasn't allowing price to just go up. So here it was going down, down, down. Here it is. So this was the liquidity pool zone. Let me show you here. Oh, is it graph? This was a liquidity pool. This price is trying to go up, go down, go down, go down, and here, there was an institution level. There are a lot of big institutions that invest, just like Goldman Sachs and all. So maybe one of the big institution, like not one, all the institution just try to trade every single day and profit. So maybe most of the institution have put their like uh, sell side orders. So the market try to fell down just because of this, and this is the reason why the market is falling down. So here was order block formation again over here, and you can see the market is trying to go up. Again, it tried to breach this one, but it went down. So what do you think? Why the market is just going in this situation right now? This why the market is getting some liquidity over here. Let me see on the left hand side. Yeah, 30 minutes time frame maybe. Uh, there's a gap up. Yeah, we have a gap up in the forex market too. So 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame. Maybe there's some institution order left, pending orders left over here, so that's the reason. Because that side beneath this like zone, I can't find any much logical way to define this thing. But there's a liquidity lies over here. It is reacting good, so there is a liquid zone over here somewhere. Yeah. So that's our trading range. Okay. So if I get a chance to take an execution in order right now, so I would take a trade over here. Let me show you where my stop loss gonna lie. It's gonna lie over here. My last two like last candles beneath. It's somewhere around, I guess. Yeah. It's gonna be somewhere around. Yeah, 700 pips. So my position shall be from this position My stop loss is gonna be at over here, a bit lower. Yep. Yeah, that's it. My stop loss gonna be at this, and my take profit shall be over here. Simple. On the order block, it's basically 1 is to 2.5 trade. Yep, that's good. That's my stop loss, that's my take profit, and it's a good range. I feel like tomorrow market is gonna go like test again. Let me share a secret of you for gold. Like say you used to think that gold usually tries to test the level twice, then it breaks it. So I feel like it has been tested twice, like once, that's the twice. This one one, this one twice, and yep, I feel like it's gonna be tested again. So after testing this, I feel like it's gonna break the structure. Just why I'm saying is because we have a clear zone like over here. Mm, just let me remove some. Just let me hide this drawings. Yep. We have a clear zone of trading where all the stop losses, like all the liquidity has been breached in this zone. So most of liquidity. So yeah, I feel like if it tries to rises again, it's gonna be over here. It's gonna again on the all-time high. Over here. This is gonna be my take profit here over here. Yeah, over here. This is gonna be my take profit for a moment. This is gonna be my TP one. Okay, take profit one. I shall wait and just see if the price is trying to react again, go breach itself and go down. I'm gonna sell my orders. I'm gonna sell over here. Yeah, here. Why over here? Let me show you. Because over here. Because we have a like zonal way. We have a zone over here, which is trying to retrace itself. So it's I guess 50% of TP. If I hit TP1, I'm gonna hold my trade and see if the price is reacting or not. If it's not reacting, I shall exit my trade, and when it's reacting, then I shall hold it, hold it, hold it up till here. Just let me explain you why over here. Just because if it broke down the structure over here, then we have a clear zone. We don't have any liquidity left to market to stop the price. So we have to, it's gonna be a like 1 is to 4 ratio trade. Yeah, somewhere 1 is to 4 ratio trade. Yep, it is. So that's all the 5 point you should learn before you take an order block thing. Order block must have a liquidity to take. If it doesn't have liquidity, what's the point of taking the order block? It's gonna incur. That's a gambling basically. That's not a trader thing. That's a gambling. So you have to be a trader, not a gambler. Most of people think that. Let me show you some example. Most of people think that. Suppose this zone, okay. Price is rejecting this zone. Just look at it. The price has been rejected by this one so many times. So people are thinking it's gonna go low. No, it's not a order block thing. Can you see anything? Okay, let me just take it near this. Okay, where is this? Yeah, over here. Come. Hmm. Do you think any of these points has been like? Just look at it. Do you think any of those points specify this zone? That's just an example I'm showing. Do you think really? Just look at it. OB must have take liquidity to take. There's a liquidity over here. Maybe yes, maybe no. Maybe yes, just because it's trying to go down. Maybe no, just because it's in a zone right now. You have to wait. You just can't determine. Okay, just wait. From here till here. What do you think? If I would be have in your place, I would have taken a trade. As in, I would have first of all, I would have waited. Like where I would have waited, I would have waited. Like this is gonna be my zone, first of all. Okay, that's the zone. Oh, why the hell it's reacting so bad? So, and my second zone over here. Somewhere over here. Yep. That's gonna be my zone. Like it's a zone. It's not a trading thing. You shouldn't trade in the zone. It's the zone of I guess so how many pips? It's a zone of I guess so uh 700 pips. You shouldn't trade in this. Let me show you why. So just because like the market is reacting, it can breach anything. It's testing the levels. See, boom, boom. It's testing the levels. Okay. Again, where should I have taken the trade? I should have taken the trade like if the candle is closing beneath this trend line or above this trend line. For example, let me show you. So here, the candle has been trying to test the levels. It tested, and yep, there was a liquidity over here. Not liquidity, maybe just because. Let me see the trend. Yeah, it was a trend over here, not liquidity. Liquidity lies, but trend matters the most. Don't go against the trend. So here it is. So there was a trend over here, and yep, I would have taken my trade above this candle. Like I would have waited. Let me show you. Tell you why. My stop loss shall be here. Uh, Let me show you. Long position. I would have taken my trade over here. My stop loss shall be over here. Where the hell is stop loss pay? Mm, mm, yep. My stop loss shall be. Why the fuck it's way too bad? Yeah. Over here. That's gonna be my stop loss over here. And my take profit should be here. At least I would have taken this 1:2 trade because during that time, just forget all this, okay? So during that time, it was an all-time high for me. Like, see, just forget all the things that has been